My name's Gavin Treadgold and I'm a board member of the Sahana Software Foundation. We've got multiple software projects that provide web-based emergency management information systems for emergency managers and NGOs, governments and the like to use for managing information before, during and after disaster and emergency events. We've been around for over 5 years now. We've got a lot of capabilities in our systems, and one of the reasons we're taking part working with Random Acts of Kindness and Crisis Commons is to encourage as much as possible the extension of and building upon our platform. We'd like to see new capabilities added to our Sahana products. We've already done quite a bit of work, so there's opportunities there for people to leverage upon the open source work that we've already done, and we're keen to work with other organisations. We have a very close working relationship with busily. We've done a lot of work with them over the past few months since the Haiti deployment, and we're working closer and closer together, and we're keen to work with other organisations and individuals to develop more free and open source solutions for emergency management.
My name's Gavin. I'm involved with the Hackerspace Robots and Dinosaurs, and we do a lot of physical hardware hacking with electronics and 3D printing and all sorts of stuff like that in Sydney. But it was interesting to come along today and see what software hacking and community outreach looks like. So that was my main motivation for coming along today.
My name is Richard Hayes. I come from a solar energy background. I specifically came to the Random Acts of Kindness because it's always fun to give back to community. Just the idea that there is a global network of volunteers just trying to help people is really good fun. What we're specifically hoping to get is just to enjoy yourselves and try and be a little bit helpful.
Hi, my name is Heather Leeson. I'm with Crisis Commons Canada, and I'm here. My background really is crisis management and technical response. When it sort of falls over, I talk about it, I write incident reports. I'm here because Random Acts of Kindness wanted me to come and just foster community and give a little bit of inspiration, a little bit of organization, talk about the projects, and just help people get to where they are now. What's amazing for me, what I hope to expect is exactly what's happening. There are groups of people working and troubleshooting and problem solving, creating code, GitHub, they're putting content up, they're basically doing great things and coming up with ideas to make this happen. And that's the whole reason I came here, and that's the whole reason I'd like to see it. The partnerships that can happen between developers and emergency planners in this whole world is something that's burgeoning, and it truly is inspiring. And I'm looking around the room just completely gobsmacked at all these bright minds just doing great things.
Okay, my name is Shui Burke, and I'm based in Canberra, Australia. My background is in mapping and computer science, and I'm also a coordinator on a volunteer technical community that does disaster mapping during bushfires in Australia and generally other disasters. I heard about this from the World Bank and a few guys who were involved in the open source community, and currently I'm working on the UAV image stitching project, and the aim there is to try and get rapid imagery collected after a disaster very quickly stitched together in a format that can be used by first responders on the ground to try and save lives, get a feel for how much damage has been done, that sort of thing. I'm also involved with OpenStreetMap in Canberra, so I'm an OpenStreetMap enthusiast and contributor, contributing to the Haiti online effort through just digitizing imagery and wiki gardening. I'm also involved with a project called Map Punjab, which is looking at trying to do cross-border collaboration between Pakistan and India to try and bridge the people there through mapping. and try and do a combined map of Punjab. So that's quite exciting. You can go to map-punjab.org to check that out.